Good morning, everybody, and I'm here to share with you guys what is new on Saving Star. I'm sorry I didn't do a video last week. I just wasn't feeling it, but my camera is not focusing, so we'll just do it far away. But here they have Mrs. Smith's apple pie. That's new, 75 cents off of Dole pineapple juice. We got Docalax, $3. Uncle Ben's rice. And these are all new. Schneider's, we got $1 off of 2. And then the Land sandwich crackers, $1 off of 2. Next Care. My camera just does not want to focus today, you guys. You'll Play, 5 off of 50 cents off of 5. Totino's, Go-Gurt. Now there is $1 off coupon that you guys could use for these. Totino's, kombucha. A lot of these deals are just not the greatest. I mean, they'll be here the same next week too, because Saving Star to me has been kind of sad lately. So here we got $2.25 from Dunkin' Donuts. Country Crock oil spread. We got the popsicles. Kellogg's, 50 cents off of Apple Jacks. Talente, so we could add that. Bubba Fine. Yeah, so many deals, but not the greatest deals. And that is it. So I hope you guys add some stuff that they have on Saving Star, and I will see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.